Hello friend, I am Naval. You are watching Code with Naval. Welcome to Java series part 76. In the last video we saw StringBuffer class. In this video we are going to discuss about StringBuilder class. Java StringBuilder class is used to create a mutable, modifiable string object. StringBuilder class is the same as a StringBuffer class, except this class is not thread safe. In the last video there we saw StringBuffer class, and there we saw StringBuffer class have all synchronize method. StringBuilder have a same constructor as a StringBuffer class. StringBuilder have a same method like a StringBuffer class, only change StringBuffer class all method are synchronized, and this StringBuilder have a normal method. That's why StringBuilder is a not thread safe. Only here change compare, if we compare about StringBuilder and StringBuffer, StringBuffer is a thread safe and this StringBuilder is a not thread safe. But if we talk about performance wise, StringBuffer is slower because that thread safe. If you declare any thread safe method, if we create any method synchronize, that method accept only one thread at a time. That's why it will take a time for execution, because of one by one execution. But if we don't make a thread safe method, that method accept a multiple thread at a single time. That's why it's faster compared to the thread safe. Okay, that's why StringBuffer is slower and StringBuilder is faster compared to the StringBuffer. But if we talk consistency, StringBuffer is a consistent more than this StringBuilder, because StringBuilder is not thread safe. That's why here may be data consistency problem. Here you can see all StringBuffer and StringBuilder classes are final class. We can't extend those classes. Okay, here we saw string class, then we saw StringBuffer class, and here we are looking StringBuilder class. Okay, this all three classes are a final class. We can't extend those classes in any child classes. Okay, here let's see the practically. I'll simply create one new class and I'll simply give that class name. Okay, part 76, and here let's create a main method, and inside a main method I'll simply StringBuilder. Now last video we saw StringBuffer. Now this video we will see StringBuilder class. Okay, sb equal to new StringBuilder. Okay, let's add here StringBuilder, and here let's pass any content. I'll simply pass Java, and here you can see, if we check sb dot, here you can see inside this StringBuilder also have a same method, append method. Then here also have a delete method. Here also have a insert, and same, all same, except StringBuilder is a not thread safe and StringBuffer is a thread safe. Okay, let's create one more object string. Then you get a clear idea. StringBuffer sb1 equal to new StringBuffer. Okay, you can see this one is a, okay, let's add here semicolon. You can see this one is a StringBuilder and this one is a StringBuffer. If you open this StringBuffer declaration, and here you can see, if we open any method, okay, let's open here append method. Okay, I'll simply open this append method. You can see this append method are synchronized. This all method are synchronized here. Okay, you can see this code point count, this all method are synchronized here. That's why this StringBuffer is a thread safe. Now let's open this StringBuilder declaration, and here also check. Okay, simply check append method, and here you can see this is a normal method. Here all method are normal method. Inside the StringBuilder all method are a normal method. That's why this StringBuffer is a thread safe and this StringBuilder is a not thread safe. Okay, that's the main difference. Except this difference, all are same in these two classes. Okay, depend on our requirement, we can use a StringBuffer or we can use a StringBuilder. If we don't care about data consistency, care only about execute fast, then we can go with StringBuilder. Okay, but if you care about a data consistency and if performance wise slower, then no matter, then we can go with StringBuffer. Okay, so in this video that's it. Here we understand what is the difference between StringBuffer and StringBuilder. StringBuffer is a thread safe and StringBuilder is a not thread safe. Okay, let's see next topic in the next video. Till that, bye bye.